Hello everyone, today on my table is a Makita small angle grinder and we need to change the armature for this one. The customer told that he changed the brushes and the motor still sparks, so definitely it needs a new armature. So we will open the back over here. Open it and we see the new brushes here. Of course we need to take them out. Now we will separate the motor housing and the gear housing. We have our armature out and it looks burned, and here's the bore mark. That's definitely not looks good. Okay, now we will open the hammering housings, the gears. And we have problem with one of the screws, so I will try to clean it a little bit. Okay, got it loose. And let's check what we have here. We have nice gears with almost no grease. Okay, now we can untighten the nut. Take out the armature, and I have removed the ball bearing rubber here. I'm mounting it on the new armature, mounting good, checking that the rubber will be like this. As you can see, bend it all the way around, put it nicely, and inserting the armature back, trying to hold the nut. For the nut we can use the small pliers. Catching the thread. And now we can tighten it back again. Okay. Of course, inserting some grease here. As the grease now inserted, we can insert back the gear, checking if it's closed and align it. Now we can tighten it. the fourth screw. Okay, now we have the armature, we have the motor housings, so we can put everything together. Okay, insert them like that, and here's the connection. Don't forget the spring here. Doing the same with the other side. Engaging the wire, and now we can check how it moves. Smooth like new, so that's a good sign for us. Okay, unplugging it, and now we can put it back over and bring it back to the customer.